Welcome to Citrix Cloud. Citrix Cloud is a delivery mechanism for getting your various Citrix products and services such as virtual apps and desktops and content collaboration to your end users. Let's discuss the differences between Citrix Cloud and an on-premises deployment. In Citrix Cloud, we manage the Citrix infrastructure for you, including gateway and workspace servers, as well as the virtual apps and desktops control plane, which includes the database, delivery controllers, license server, and director and studio components. You continue to deploy and manage resource workloads located on-premises or in the public or private clouds of your choosing. To connect the Citrix managed infrastructure to your workloads, you need to create a resource location. A resource location consists of the customer-managed components, such as Active Directory and the virtual machines hosting apps and desktops, and can be hosted in an on-premises data center or a public cloud. These locations communicate securely with the Citrix managed infrastructure via customer-configured connector machines located within the resource location. Now, let's look at the different sections of the Citrix Cloud console. The home page is where you access all your services and may change slightly depending on what's in your entitlement. Resource locations, as previously mentioned, are where you host your workloads and manage your connector machines. Identity and access management is where you specify how users authenticate, manage administrative access, and control multi-factor authentication requirements. Workspace configuration, as it says, is where you configure aspects of your workspace, such as the URL and branding, including logos and colors for your organization. You can select the specific identity provider your users will use to access their workspace. You can enable and disable the integration of Citrix Cloud Services content into the workspace. If you plan to maintain an on-premises virtual app and desktop environment that does not utilize the cloud service, you can still aggregate your virtual resources into Workspace with site aggregation. And finally, to protect against the threat of cloud outages, you can enable service continuity, which provides end users with uninterrupted access to their virtual apps and desktops regardless of the status of Citrix Cloud. The last section is the library. Inside here, you'll find all the aggregated assets from your various services so you can assign them to specific users or user groups. To learn more about Citrix Cloud and how to host and administer your cloud services, visit our documentation page.